Right, so just walk down here and get a green misty.
Aha kua rangi paki mai, rangi pauri mai, ka haere tonu ngā mahi a te mata tini. Pēnei I tāna tūwao e mahi nei mō te tini.
How early were people here this morning?
6:30 pretty much again. It was most of the same people that were here yesterday, but there was just more constant flow around than what there was yesterday.
It's a lot of fun and it's so nice to see all the people, a lot of the people of Christchurch coming. Yeah, not just Māori, but a lot of the Pākehā as well. It's really lovely.
I've noticed that there's been a lot of
tourists, a lot of Japanese tourists, and they're awesome. They all come in the gate going, kia ora!
We've had so many school kids in the last couple of days, it's been great. They've appreciated what we've done for them, and they're all bringing back the whakapapa of what Te Ao Māori is, and it's awesome. It's awesome.
He toru rau rātou, ko whakawātehia I a rātou anō, kia tai mai ai ki te tautoko, ina mahi o konei.
What made you want to volunteer?
Just because I think I've been out of the loop for my culture for so long, and I was like, I want to do something, and this is a good part to do it.
Basically, my job here is driving Kamatua safely from the main gates to the Kamatua tent or the VIP lounge.
Have you had some good chats with the kaumātua while you're taking them around?
Yeah, we have a bit of good banter happening and that sort of thing, and it's good. It's nice to meet them all.
I've been the cook for the last, since the 24th of March, since they started doing the build and constructing the site. And today we've been sent over here to make sure that nobody's blocking the VIP view.
Nō tētahi rōpu tūao te mahi uaua. Rā ko te aukati nā kieti te wai timatāna nā mahi haka.
I'm just over here on the side.
Kua rongo ana paki waitara katoa I raro I a tamanui te rā.
Ko tētahi, ko tāna kei te haere au ki te wharepaku, engari kei waho kia ngā wharepaku.
Had a couple try to slip in the back gate when I was doing the emergency services because they really wanted to get backstage with their teams.
Ara hoki e tahi kōrero kino ka pā mai kia rātou.
E tahi kupu kangakanga, e tahi kupu whakaiti hioi, nā te tūmāro ka karo e rā tuāhuatanga.
E tahi pēnei I a Corbyn, kua tai tika mai I te atamira.
Kua ngenge te tinana, kāre anō au kia āta whakatā, whai muri I tō mātou nei tui nā nahi. Hioi, ko te mahi nunui kia mātou I tēnei wā ko te tautoko, te manaaki, I o tātou ngai manuhiri tuarangi.
Hioi rātou katoa, he nāku harikua, kua tai mai ki te kaupapa nui a te Māori.
I'm here for representing Otatai in town, having the party of a lifetime. Come down, enjoy the party, it's fun.
He ahuatanga harikua e kore hoki a rangi nui me ona ruimata e tae ai te takakino. Pea to Melbourne te karere.